यह यूजीसी नेट के लिए पेपर 1 प्रीवियस पेपर एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंप्राइज टीचिंग स्किल? ब्लैक बोर्ड राइटिंग, क्वेश्चनिंग, एक्सप्लेनिंग, all the above. All the above is the correct answer, D. Next question. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? Option B. Teachers' help can create in a student a desire to learn. Option B is the correct answer. The first Indian chronicler of Indian history was Kalhan. Option D is the correct answer. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. Syllabus is a part of curriculum. Option A is correct answer. Next question. Which of two given options is the level of understanding? Option B. Only two is correct. Define noun in your own words is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following options are the main tasks of research in modern society? To keep pace with the advancement in knowledge, to discover new things, to write a critique on the earlier writings, to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations or sources with objectivity. The correct answer is A. 4, 2 and 1 is correct. Next question. Match the following. ये तो बोर्ड में बोलना पड़ेगा. What do you consider as the main aim of the interdisciplinary research? Option A. To bring out holistic approach to research is the correct answer. Next question. One of the aims of the scientific method in research is to. Option B. Eliminate spurious relations. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The depth of any research can be judged by. Option B. Objectives of the research. Option B is the correct answer. Next. Passage. ये तो बोर्ड में ही देखना पड़ेगा. Next question. The function of mass communication of supplying information regarding the processes, issues, events and societal developments is known as. Option A is the correct answer. The science of the study of feedback system in humans, animals and machines is known as. Option A. Cybernetics is the correct answer. Next question. Networks media exist in interconnected. Option D. Technological environments is the correct answer. Next question. The combination of computing, telecommunications and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as. Option D. Convergence is the correct answer. Next question. A dialogue between a human being and a computer program that occurs simultaneously in various forms is described as. Option D. Interactivity is the correct answer. Next question. ये तो अर्थमेटिक न्यूमेरिकल बोर्ड में ही देखना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वन ये तो कैलेंडर का प्रॉब्लम से ये भी बोर्ड में देखना पड़ेगा. कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स ये तो ये भी कोडिंग डिकोडिंग RS अग्रवाल देख लीजिएगा. क्लॉक प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंक्लूजन्स इज लॉजिकली वैलिड बेस्ड ऑन स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बिलो? मोस्ट टीचर्स आर हार्ड वर्किंग. कंक्लूजन ये क्या है? सम टीचर्स आर हार्ड वर्किंग, सम टीचर्स आर नॉट हार्ड वर्किंग. इसमें करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ 1 and 2 इज सही है. सम टीचर्स हार्ड वर्किंग, सम टीचर्स आर नॉट वर्किंग इज सही है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who among the following can be asked to make a statement in Indian Parliament? Option C. Solicitor General of India is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following conclusions is logically valid based on a statement given below? Conclusion. Some Indian states existed before independence. All Indian states did not exist before independence. Option B is correct. Only 2 is implied. All Indian states did not exist before independence is the correct answer. Next question. Water is always involved with landslides. This is because it. Option B, increases the weight of the overburden. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Direction for this question. Given below are two statements A and B followed by two conclusions 1 and 2. Considering the statements to be true, indicate which of the following conclusions logically follow from the given statements by selecting one of the four response alternatives given below the conclusion. Statements. All businessmen are wealthy. All wealthy people are hardworking. Conclusion. All businessmen are hardworking. All hardly working people are not wealthy. Option A is correct. Only one follows. All businessmen are hardworking is correct. Next question. Using websites to pour out one's grievances is called cyber venting. A is the correct answer. Next question. In web search, finding a large number of documents with very little relevant information is termed. Option A, poor recall is the correct answer. Next question. The concept of connect intelligence is derived from. Option D, value added networks is the correct answer. Next question. Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called. Option C, voice line is the correct answer. Next question. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting called real-time video. D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the smallest northeastern state in India? Tripura is the correct answer. A. Next question. Tamil Nadu coastal belt has drinking water shortage due to seepage of seawater is the correct answer. D. Next question. While all rivers of peninsular India flow into the Bay of Bengal, Narmada and Tapati flow into the Arabian Sea because these two rivers are. A option is correct. Follow the slope of these rift valleys. Next question. Soils in the Mahanadi Delta are less fertile than those in the Godavari Delta because of. A is the correct answer. Erosion of topsoils by annual floods. A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following institutions in the field of education is set up by the MHRD Government of India? National Bal Bhavan, New Delhi. C is the correct answer. Next question. Assertion A. Aerosols have potential for modifying climate. Reason. Aerosols interact with both short waves and radiation. Option A is the correct answer. A. Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation. Next question. SITE stands for Satellite Instrumental Television Experiment is the correct answer. B. Next question. What is the name of the research station established by the Indian government for conducting research at Antarctic? Dakshin Gangotri is the correct answer. A. Next question. Ministry of Human Resource Development HRD includes. All the above is the correct. क्या है वो? डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन एंड लिटरेसी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन हायर एजुकेशन, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट इज द करेक्ट. ऑल आर करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पार्लियामेंट कैन लेजिस्लेट ऑन मैटर्स लिस्टेड इन द स्टेट लिस्ट. ऑप्शन डी, एट द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ 2 or more states इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ये तो डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन है, आप RS अग्रवाल में देख लीजिएगा. समाप्त हुआ है. धन्यवाद.